What is up, guys? Welcome back. Well, today I got good and bad news. Okay, first, the good news is I'm going to do two things for the bike today for the video, real quick. So let's see what are those two things going to be. Well, y'all looking at it right now. So it's going to be this front shield right here and also the mirrors. It looks decent, but when you look at it, I don't know if the camera gonna pick up this right here. It won't come off. I'll show you guys on the last video. It was like actually the first one, and I was talking about this, and both the mirrors have that, and it won't come off. So I got a new mirror, so it's gonna be really fresh, and this is gonna be out of there. So thank God for that. But anyways, so let's start with, I think it's 4 Allen keys that goes right here. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then take the mirrors off first. And I think the shield should come off after that, but like I said, I never did this before. So anyways, let's go look at the new shield and mirrors. Here's the shield, and it's black, of course. It's gonna look like so much better. It's going to blend in with the rest of the bike. And here I have the mirrors, are brand new. So this is one of the mirrors. It's direct bolt on. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod, and then we're gonna go get this going. Yay, we finally finished. So I'm going to show you guys close up. So let me know in the comments below what y'all think about it. If it's a better look, or did it change much, or what, but just let me know, all right? Personally, I think it blends in better with the bike, because that clear shield, it was like kind of faded away, and it looked good, but I think the black is just set off the bike even more, and it's making more cleaner, and the mirrors too. So I think that that was a good overall miles for it. And now, earlier down on the video, I was saying I got good news and bad news. Well, the bad news is, I can't tell you, you gotta stay tuned. But it's not really bad news, it's just changing on the videos. Like, it's gonna be a couple changes, but it's not bad. It's just, I just say that. But I can't tell you what, but it's gonna be some changing, and it's for the better overall at the end of the day, you know what I mean? So for that being said, this video is pretty short and sweet. Just like I try to make it sometimes. I don't wanna, you know, overdo it. But I definitely wanna thank everybody that subscribing, even though I try to post videos every day, but sometimes, like, when you don't have too much to post it, you want to, like, you know, put it every time you can, instead of if you put it every day, you're gonna run out of things. But sometimes it's not that, it's I actually can't. It's like it's I'm busy. My daughter is 2 months old, and she comes first before anything. So I gotta take care of her first, and then when I have time, I can come back and, you know, do the YouTube. But so for that being said, thank you for everybody that's coming on my videos. Thank you for the subscribers, and don't forget to like the videos. And if you got any questions for me about anything of any videos, you can definitely hit me up and I'll reply back. I'm a cool dude. I say that before a while back. You know, I'm pretty cool. So I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. And don't forget to comment, like, and